Hi, my name is Tasneem and I'm from Atmax Filtration, New Jersey. And today I'm excited to give you a quick demo of these centrifugal fans that we are supplying to a resin manufacturing company. Now, the one on my right is designed for a airflow of 500 CFM, 12 inches static, and a 5 HP motor. And the one on my left is spec'd at 300 CFM, again 12 inches static, with a 2 HP motor. Now both of the fans are couple driven with an extended shaft mounted on bearings. The fans are also going with special Y pieces with manual dampers at both the ends. Now a couple of key features that I wanted to highlight about these fans is these fans are constructed in a stainless steel construction of 316L grade. This gives an excellent resistance in chemical environments. The fans are coming with a flame-proof motor, which again is a requirement in hazardous environments, which makes the fans and the operations of the fan safer. Backplate of the impeller is sturdy and rigid, which ensures that the vibration is less, wear and tear is less, and hence the life of the fan is more. And last but not the least is these are being supplied with some special bellows. Now these are stainless steel metallic bellows for high temperature applications. These fans are being supplied with flexible rubber bellows for special chemical fumes. Now we are projecting the life of the fans to be approximately between 18 and 20 years, and we at Atmax ensure that we are able to give the customer the best ROI of the dollar amount they are investing in their CapEx equipment. Now we are also able to work with the manufacturers and get these fans customized and optimized so that they turn out to be the most efficient and also give you the maximum energy savings. We at Atmax Filtration are based out of South Plainfield, New Jersey, and we can be reached on sales@atmaxfiltration.com.